Yeah, I'm a feeder usually, but I do other things too when I'm not feeding. Whatever they want me to do, help with the other guys. Clean nets or, tie rope, do water lines or whatever. Whatever you gotta do, you just don't feed, right? You gotta do whatever you gotta do. We feed them in the morning, then we feed them in the afternoon.
That's when we'll start using machines for that.
Those two big machines that they had the straps on that you guys seen there on the wagon, that's the one we use. Right now we'll just use bag and half usually. Yeah, they're building new cages. You see over the pit, they're building new cages there, 100 meters. They're supposed to build 12 or 13 more 100-meter cages. They come in and then we put them in the water and then we put the nets in them and then put the net on top. Then we put the weights on and we get there. Quite an operation actually. It's growing. Good place to work.